What's going on? So I've been working on a Shopify. The first hardest part was when you start organizing your products. So, for example, when we come to clothing, this part uh, wasn't self-explanatory, but also linking everything to when you go to it, it's all on its separate page. So I'm gonna try to make this simple on how I found it and figured it out. I was gonna use the app layout, but it's an extra fee. So if you don't want any extra fees, let's get right to it. So the first step is to simply go to customize store, and you want to pretty much have already created your page names, your pages. So for example, what I did with this one is, so after you have your navigation and you link, you have your clothing page, you make a page for clothing, you want to just pretty much get to that page. So if we scroll down and we get to the clothing page, which is already linked to this, you want to add a collections list. So for example, move this out the way. So for example, right here to add you can add a section. You want to click section, add collection list. So that's how you get this part. And as you add products to the collections, it's going to show as the picture. Come right here. These are going to be blank, and you want to click each one and pick that collection. So you're going to already have to have collections created, which you should know. Let me know, but you should know how to do that. So you're going to pretty much link everything to the collection. So when you click a collection as well, so for example, say I click to change a collection, you're going to have to click select down here, because that's another thing I didn't do. And I went to saving and it wasn't saving. So you're going to click select. And then from there, you're going to have all three connected. Another helpful tip, if we do come into collections, let's say we create a collection, make sure you just have it clicked on. Unless you know how to, do what it's doing, just put it on manual. That's going to save you some time, because when you put it on automated, it's a whole bunch of features that are pro. So just make sure you have it on manual, and that should help as well. And from there, the hardest part was pretty much, creating all the pages. So you should have your collections already made. You should have your navigation already made. So from here, I'll show you my navigation. So I have it home, clothing. I probably will erase catalog, accessories, contact, about us, legal. And then you're pretty much just going to be syncing everything to the pages it's on. So if you see right here, you can sync it to a collection. Obviously I synced my homepage to my homepage. And for clothing, I'll show you how it looks. I created a page called luxury clothing, and I synced this tab to that. And then when we went to that page, let me see if I actually have a page just to make sure. Yeah. So this is the page, luxury clothing. So you can just add a page, name it that, and you're pretty much just syncing everything. So you just want to have, a collections together. You want to have a page that you're going to host everything on. Because I don't have pages for, like I said, I want to keep it simple. So I don't have pages for I just have one luxury clothing page. And then, when you add the product, it's going to make its own, to add the collection, it's going to make its own page. So hopefully I didn't make that too confusing. Just comment below anything that I missed. And if you keep it that simple, because I didn't keep it that simple. So if you keep it simple like that, everything should be synced. Like I said, the part that most people probably don't know is how to use this part. So this is like I said, I'm probably going to make this a little more simple. Let me go back. But yeah. So like I said, if you have any more questions, any other questions, just comment below so I can make more detailed videos. But I hope this helped you kind of separate your products on Shopify, so you can at least have a tab where everything's at.